Stop typing data row by row in Excel. With just one click, your employee entries can autofill your list, no VBA needed. In this video, I'll show you how to build a dynamic employee data form that's fast, smart, and error-free. Let's dive in. Start with a blank sheet and type your heading, Employee Data Form. Select the heading. Go to the Home tab, Alignment Group, then Merge and Center. Add a background color. Format the text to bold, white, increase the font size, and set borders so it looks professional and stands out. Next, create labels for all fields: full name, ID, department, title, email, joining date, basic pay, medical, conveyance, deduction, net pay, and shift. Leave the cells next to each label empty for user input. To highlight input cells, hold Ctrl and select them. Apply a thick border and add a fill color. This makes your form user-friendly and visually clear. We want users to select shifts easily, day and night. Go to Developer, then Insert, and pick Option button. Place it next to the shift label. Copy and adjust for the remaining shifts. Right-click, Edit Text, Rename Options. Now your form is interactive. Users just click instead of typing. Select the full form and set a thick border. Now, go to the View tab and uncheck grid lines. Let's make Excel do the math. Select the net pay cell. Type equals basic pay, plus medical, plus conveyance, minus deduction. Press Enter. Instantly, Excel calculates total pay automatically, no manual work needed. We'll now automate sending form data to a list. Copy all labels and paste them elsewhere temporarily. Next to each label, type equals and select the original input cell to reference it. Repeat for other fields. Right-click the Shift option, then Format Control, and select the cell link. Now, fill in all the fields for an employee. Copy headers from your form. Got to the employee list sheet. Right-click the first cell, Paste Special. Choose Transpose, and click OK. Format the headers to stand out. Go to Developer, Record Macro, and name it Employee Salary Data. Copy the employee data. Go to a new sheet. Right-click, choose Paste Special. Paste as values, and transpose. Click OK. Copy the transposed data. On the employee list sheet, select the first cell next to the header. Go home. Then Insert copied cells. Choose Shift cells down, and click OK. Go back to the form, clear all input fields. Stop recording the macro. This macro will now automate adding any new entry to your list with one click. Now insert a Submit button. Go to Developer, Insert, and choose Button. Draw the button on your form. Assign the macro, and click OK. Right-click, Edit Text, and rename the button. Now test it, enter data in your form fields. Hit Submit button. Your data instantly appears in the employee list. And the form clears automatically. No more typing row by row, everything is fast, clean, and professional. And there you have it, a dynamic employee data form in Excel that saves you time, reduces errors, and works with just a single click. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more time-saving Excel tricks.